Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering and measuring. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoons salt in a medium bowl. Set aside. In a stand mixer or large bowl, cream 1 cup unsalted butter at room temperature with 3/4 cup granulated sugar and 3/4 cup packed brown sugar until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Add 2 large eggs one at a time, beating well after each. Then stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla to ensure proper emulsification and even flavor. Combine dry ingredients with the creamed mixture by adding about 1/3 at a time and mixing on low speed or by hand. Stop as soon as streaks of flour disappear to avoid overworking gluten. Use a rubber spatula to fold in 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips gently until they are evenly distributed through the dough. For consistent cookies, scoop dough into roughly 1/2 tablespoon portions on a tray. Then chill uncovered in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to firm the dough and concentrate flavors. When ready to bake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Place scoops 2 inches apart and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove when edges are set and centers still look slightly underbaked for a chewy center. Let cookies cool on the sheet 5 minutes before transferring to a rack. Store baked cookies in an airtight container at room temperature up to 5 days, or freeze dough portions up to 3 months. For chewier cookies, use 3/4 cup brown sugar and bake 10 to 12 minutes at.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.